Hello mabuhay! I'm Melvin Ian Gintu. I'm reporter from Group 2 and my topic is life skills. Good day Ma'am Jera and my classmates, Bisalat IA1. Okay, when we say life skills ay ito yung magagamit natin every day. Okay, life skills, the flips or FLIPS, flips, flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity, and social skills. Okay, number one, flexibility. Deviating form plans as needed. Flexibility is the expression of someone's ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Flexibility requires learners them to show humility and accept that they will always have a lot to learn or experience even when they. Okay, ang flexibility daw ay ito yung mga changing circumstances na na-adapt ng students. Another definition of flexibility. Still, flexibility is crucial to a student's long-term success in a career. Ito daw ang isang sangkap sa pag-success mo, long-term success in a career. Knowing when to change, how to change, and how to react to change is a skill that will pay dividends for someone's entire life. Malalaman mo daw dito kung when to change, kung kailan magbabago, and how to change, kung paano magbabago, and how to react to change, kung paano ka mag-react sa pagbabago mo papunta sa iyong success. Okay, and the second one of life skills is leadership. Leadership motivating a team to accomplish a goal. Yun daw. Yung pagiging leader daw ay i-motivate niya yung mga kagrupo niya para maabot yung goal nila. Leadership is a someone's penchant for setting goals, walking a team through the steps required, and achieving those goals collaboratively. Napaka-importante ng leadership sa ating buhay. Dahil kapag walang leadership, hindi organized yung mga problem na kailangan mong bigyan ng solution like sa mga community yan, sa barangay may leadership yan. Yung leadership, yun yung tinatawag na barangay captain. Okay, ito naman yung example sa leadership. Leadership skills examples. Active listening. Yan. Napaka-importante sa pagiging leadership ang active listening dahil pakikinggan mo mga members na mag-suggest para i-adapt sa groups nyo. And problem solving. Dapat magaling kayo mag-problem solving. Halimbawa, sa group nyo may problema, dapat mag-unity kayo para agad yung masolusyonan. Yan. Next is creativity. Yan, napaka-importante ng creativity dahil kapag may creativity ka, napaka-skills mo. Meron kang kakayahan na maangatan yung mga ibang grupo. Yan, and the last one is time management. Yan, time management, napaka-importante din yan. Dahil mamamanage mo yung time. Halimbawa, meron kayong gagawin. Yung grupo dapat nandito, tapos nandito. Dapat naka-time management para organize. And example ko yung leaderships like sa classroom, merong president, dapat ma-handle niya yung mga kaklase niya para maabot yung goal nila. And then the ROTC, Reserves Officers Training Corps, yan, napaka-importante yan. Dahil as a students na nag-CAT sa senior high, na-adapt ko yung leadership sa pag-handle sa mga COs ko na para mag-command, para sundin nila ako. Yun lang. Thank you very much, ma'am and my classmates. Thank you for listening. Okay, next reporter,